We got the new 22mm Mikuni Carburetor Performance Kit, and we're going to be slapping it on my Stage 2 Predator 212 on my mini bike, and hopefully to haul some absolute butt and make some more horsepower. This kit comes with the intake manifold, air filter, carburetor itself, and all the hardware. So let's get right into it. We are starting off by removing all the old throttle linkages. I am now removing the old carburetor. I am tightening the two nuts from the carburetor against each other on the stud in order to remove them. Use the nut that is on the inside to loosen the stud. Make sure to remove the old gasket. Okay, one very important step when you're going to tighten the manifold on the carb. Go down in there and make sure that the O-ring is covered by all sides of the manifold. For example, this is improper alignment, or that you can see that O-ring or something like this. You want it perfectly aligned, something like that. There we go. Something like that would be good. Now I'm tightening down the whole assembly. Do not forget the gasket. Alternate between tightening the bolts to make sure it seats down evenly. Slip on your fuel line, zip tie your vent hoses together, and hook up your throttle cable to the carburetor. Make sure to put in the slide the correct way. The final step is to tighten down your air filter. Put some gas in it, but not too much. Just let it drain and you're ready to go. Okay, so I did a little bit of off-camera tuning. I changed the needle height in the slide part of the carb, and I also, you may have noticed, blue pull start because the other one was crapping the bed. But here we go. Here's I'm gonna see if this will actually run good. Okay, so it's tuned enough to where we can ride it. It's not perfect yet, but I'll do that later. But it is good enough to ride it, so. Here we go. The throttle feels way better. See if it backfires. Okay. Yeah, there is a bit of tuning need to be done. It pulled pretty hard. I was flying, but yeah, you probably saw it cut out pretty badly at like way up top. So there is some tuning to be done. But yeah. All right, that concludes the video on the 22mm carburetor. It's been about like 2 or 3 weeks since I filmed the last thing. It rides pretty well, except for like at real high end, it'll like bog out a little bit because it's running a tad lean, and then like down low it runs kind of rich, which I think is a little weird, but even still, like, it's still a lot of fun to ride. And like the lean condition makes it like pop and bang, which is always fun. Piss off the neighbors. But yeah, I mean, this thing is so much fun. It sounds incredible with that RLV exhaust and the way the cam like kind of changes the note. But yeah, that was about it. I think in the next video I'm gonna try and tune it and see how that goes. Just play around with the jets and everything. I already ordered some, they're on the way. But yeah, see you on the next one.